Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to today's stream. Up, yeah. So we're to build a project today. I already sent a video yesterday. I posted a video yesterday showcasing the project we have to build today. So you can join us as we build from scratch, basically. So I'm not alone today. I'm with Molu, Toby, and Chidima. Guys, say hello to the chat.
Hello.
Now we talk.
Wolu is outside. No, it's coming person.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Sorry, my network was kind of bad. I'm back, Sha. Because the project are building after. So we'll be building together. We're going to be building together. So we're building together from scratch. So let me showcase the project one more time. Then can now start building. So this is the project that I want to share. Is it? Oh, sorry. Yes. So this is what we want to build today. They basically are going to be using all the knowledge that we have gathered from our HTML and CSS classes, or let's just say our HTML and CSS live sessions and the summary videos and all. We'll be gathering knowledge from them to like achieve this layout. So you can always join us. So first things first, we are going to be creating our project. That's a folder, and we'll be setting up our folders. Basically, our folder structure. So let's do that. Let me share my screen totally. So I hope everybody is with me so that we can achieve this together. Um, so first is first, to create a new project as a new folder for the project. I'm looking for where I put this. It's not here. Okay, yes, this. This is not it. Let me just create a new one. So I'll call it time zone, since that's the name of the website. Then inside here, we basically just open our code editor. So open that folder. Open that folder inside your open that folder inside your VS Code. You guys, are we together on your mic now? I don't hear anybody's voice. So I'm creating my HTML folder, my CSS folder. Then and let's just leave it HTML CSS. Chidima, welcome back.
Thank you.
Yeah. So just open your VS Code and create a new folder that we can now build this one. So in our HTML folder, we'll create our HTML file index.html. I don't know if I've told you why it's actually index.html. Because most of the projects that we have, most HTML projects, a lot of developers use index.html when they are naming the HTML file. Have I told us before? Hey guys.
Yeah.
Like, you know, when you're creating a new folder now, or you're creating a new file. So we want to create a new HTML file. We name it index.html file. Most of the time we use index.html. Why do we use index.html? There's actually a reason behind using index.html. I don't know if I've said it before. Now I'm asking.
What did you say? Bro, what did you say?
Have I said anything about why we name our first HTML file index.html?
I don't know. No, I don't think so.
Bolu, do you know why it is named index.html?
So what may
The
I
reason
say?
is this.
Okay.
Okay, just say what you want to. I thought we were not going to talk before.
The .html, like the .html is like an extension, like .png. So it's making it, so it makes it that okay, the browser can access it. So it's not just a normal file,
I'm not sure.
but the index
No.
before it, I
Okay.
feel it's just convention.
Okay. It's the index palatamask, not the HTML. But it's not just convention. So there was an issue before of like accessing files. That means let's take this site for instance now. This one that we are trying to build. So we have multiple pages: home, shop, about, latest, blog, pages, contact. There are different pages in this particular file. If you are using HTML, to build it. We have different HTML files for them, right? And I need to talk again. You guys should talk now. We have different HTML files for them. Like if you are building this home, today we are building only this home, that is this page. But if we're to build shop about latest blog pages and contacts, we are going to have different HTML files for them, right? So why they brought about that index HTML is this: when you want to deploy your project, they had the issues that okay, they have already put the project, everything to be deployed, but they have the issue of which page is showing first. Do you understand? So normally when you put your project out like that, the thing just basically assesses anyone. So they now want solve the problem by naming the first file index.html. So as a developer, you know that okay, the first file that you want to be displayed, that means when the user opens the link after the project has been deployed, the first one should be your index.html. That's why it's index.html that they use. So it's not just convention. People don't just use it because they like index.html. They use it because they actually solved an issue they were facing before using that name. Do we get that?
Yeah.
Sharp. So now we have already created our two folders. That's the HTML and CSS folder. Let's get another folder for our assets. That's where we're going to put in all the images and all. So let's do this to basically save our images. So we are going to be needing this wristwatch image here, this one. We'll need all of this, 1, 2, 3. All of this, we'll need everything. So this is what you do. Just come to this image like this, right click on it, then save image. Then you go and look for the project that you have created inside your document. I created my own inside my document. So anyway, you created your own, go and look for it. Times you. Then save the image inside it. Then this one too. So we are saving all the images now. So basically just right click on them and save them. Black sheep. I believe in you. And I believe in you, I swear. Black sheep. Are we on the same page, guys?
I don't even know. What's the name of your own website? I'm having trouble finding it.
My own website. I already
Yeah.
sent this thing now. Sorry, let me send the link again so that if you will to access it. I thought I sent it to the chat before. Sorry. So I'll be showing me power like this now. Oh, that's it. Have you guys seen it?
Yes.
Sharp.
Thank you.
So basically just right click on all those images then save them. The only ones that I feel like I cannot save are these 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're not saving. So we might just look for other images to what's the word now? Replace them. I'll go watch. So this one we just look on a video and put the video is not loading in this one, so we just look on random video. So that's what the image is doing. So we just look for how can we save this one?
I don't know. I cannot save it. Okay.
You cannot save it. Share your screen. Let me see the issue that I have.
Wow. Hold on.
Chidima, have you saved them? Like the images?
I'm about to.
Okay.
I'm by clicking on. No,
Go down, go down. See preview. Do you see that preview button? There's one preview button there. Yeah, that one, that purple one. Yeah, click on it. Then you can now save them. Just right click on it. Then see save image as. Yeah, save image. Yeah, click it. Then go to the project folder. Open. And save inside it. Then go down. Then save the rest. Like that. I'm waiting for you guys. Bolu, are you done?
I'm almost through.
Okay.
You're saving these images into the access folder, right?
Yes, inside the assets folder. I don't think Toby has created the other folder, Sha. But when you have saved everything finished, you can do that. So you just create 3 folders: HTML, CSS, and assets. Then you save all the image inside the assets folder. So you have those ones. I don't think you can save those 4. Those 4 don't have the clean. Just scroll down. Yeah.
The last 4, saving them too.
Oh, yeah. So this is how this is supposed to look like: assets, CSS, HTML. Like the other one, I would say. I'm always the one in my camera. Or more.
Just hold on. I'm trying to move them to my access folder.
And
So those the 4 pictures, right?
yeah. Wait, 4 pictures. Just the 4 pictures as in that middle that I cannot see. We have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pictures. Just these 4 cannot save. 1, 2, 3. So who is with me like this?
I'm with you.
Sharp. I think Bolu should be done as well. Bolu, you are done, ba.
I'm done. I'm done.
True also.
Sharp.
Thanks for the great help.
Okay. So now let's continue. So the first thing we have here is basically this our nav bar that we have to achieve here, our nav bar. So our nav bar basically has three parts. That's this logo, one, then the links, two, then this other set of links, three. So to get this, we are going to come inside here. We should not forget our semantics. So we just basically, let's just say our header tag here. Then here we have our header like this. Then since we are trying to build our nav bar first, our nav is going to be the first thing inside the header. So we have our logo first, then our links, then the other set of icons. So we just come in, then have them in this format. So let's just say our logo is the text basically. So let's just put a span. So take time. So like this. Then the other link is now URL. I don't know how many set of links are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last part is also a URL. Since the set of icons, so it's the last one. And just 3. So I have 1, 2, 3. Sharp. Do you understand? Our logo, then the links, then the icons. So let me start putting the links inside. Home, shop, about. And last one, contact. I hope I'm not rushing too much like this.
Well, just slow down just a bit. Information.
So are we together now? Shijima, what about you? Are you done?
It's you.
Okay. So these icons, right? I don't want us to use emojis to do the icon. So we're going to have to import our icons. So I don't think I've talked about importing icons before. So what to do to import icons is this. You just basically come here. There are a lot of places you can import icons, but I prefer using these bootstrap icons. So just search for bootstrap icons like this. So when it opens up, you go to the bottom, the very bottom. Then you look for this, the CDN part. You have the CDN link. Then you copy this first one. Then come back to HTML page. Then go and put it in the head tag like this. You put that CDN link for that bootstrap link that you copied, like, put it in the head tag. Then you now come back and check the tag, the icon you want to copy. You want to copy the search icon, the user icon, and the cart icon. So you come and search for them. So search, this is it. You click on it. Then you copy this. Then you paste it in the first one. Then the second one, user. So you can choose any of this. Since they don't have the one that way, let me choose this one. Okay. Then the last one is cart. 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 You understand what I mean. CART. Cart. There it is. Copy. And paste it inside here. So we have all of this now. So basically we have already created the structure for an alpha. We just remain the styling now. It's done. So let me go live now, see what we have. It's still going to look a little janky because I've not done any. So this is basically what we have. Our logo, this one, and this one. Who is done? Who is done? Who needs help?
I don't know why my HTML file, my HTML is also showing.
What's not
I don't know
showing?
the folder I created for HTML.
Share your screen, make I see.
Hmm. What's my HTML?
I will fix it, but you're still sharing your screen.
Can you see what I'm sharing?
Yep.
I don't know why the folder for HTML and CSS, it's just misbehaving. It's not showing me what is meant to show me. So I deleted the both of them.
Um, it's just asset that's there now. Click on folder, or this is what you do, right click instead. Yeah. Then you see create folder, a new folder.
This new folder.
Yes. Then you click HTML. Then do it again for CSS. Mhm. Then inside HTML, you create a new index.html file.
Are you seeing my screen at all?
Yes, I'm seeing your screen. This one is file you create inside that HTML. New file,
Are you seeing what is happening? It's meant to be showing at
index.html.
this bar.
It's going to be showing what?
Okay. Oh,
So that's
thank
settled.
you. Yes, thank you.
Toby, what's the status? How far have you gone?
What is helping me?
What is it?
What is helping me on
Okay. Do you know what? I sent
So the
the
first thing
code.
we are
That's
doing
where
is
I
to
am
create.
presently. I sent to the
Okay.
private chat. Yeah. The first thing we are doing is to create
The
this
navbar.
navbar. Yes. You guys should check that the studio's private chat. I sent my code to there. So if you are not like with me, you can just basically just copy the code and paste it to your side. So we'll be on the same page. Everything. So it's not complete. Mustafa. Dive sheet. Come on. I feel like we should type faster. Our typing speed is somehow slow.
yeah, just relax a bit.
What do you say?
I said relax a bit. I'm on the right track. Sha.
Oh yeah, now we are waiting for you. Now.
So inside the header we have the navbar, right?
Yes.
And then the unlisted.
Like
Hmm?
yes. You can see my screen bar. It is there for you.
This thing you did span time zone. What are you trying to point at?
That's the logo. So we'll
Okay,
style it
okay.
to match the logo that we have here. This time zone logo.
Okay, okay.
My laptop wants to fly. Sorry, I'm not sorry. Chat. Say something in the chat. Who still remember? Who is done? Who is not done? Chidima, you're done, ba?
Done, finally.
Finally. Yeah, let's continue to CSS. So we have already gotten the structure of our HTML is supposed to make. Now, what do you want to achieve for the CSS? First off, our background for this nav bar is white. And again, it takes the full width of the screen. Then all of these are displayed flex. That's this, and this are displayed flex. Then there's space between this and this. So these are the things that we want to get here. So now let's do that. So we'll come to our CSS. I already linked my CSS to my HTML. So I'll come here and say first off, head down, this, and say width 100%. Before we continue, let's first remove all those universal styling. So we are going to be using two values inside our padding here. The top and bottom, let's just say 20px, and left and right 10px, 20, then display box, then justify content, space between. So let's check what we have. So this is what we have now. We have our time zone here, our links here, and this one here. So we are getting closer. So the next thing we need to do is basically now display this one flex and also this one flex. So come here. So display flex. So it's in display flex. And also drop 20px. Sure. Yeah, now to come down here. You see further. Now like you can see list file. No. Then let's look at this one. Need to change the font too. I think the font was used. think I'm done with our navbar. No, I'm not done completely. Then if I'm done, I'm going to display it for us to check. So I think I'm done now, at least. So who's done with me as well? Who is done? All of now come off my like this. At least for today's live stream, we should complete the header section. We complete the header section before we move. Then maybe we'll not continue the rest in our next live session. Who is still with me, guys? Hello. Chidima, where are you now? Okay. Like where exactly are you?
I've not started styling now.
You have not started styling? Oh. But you're done with the HTML.
Yes, I just got done with this.
So I can display the
So
styling.
this icon, there
Uh,
was something you said about it with Bootstrap.
yeah, I linked it. This is a just basically go to their page and or let me just copy it and send to the private chat. Just copy it from the private chat in the stream. Or something. So just copy it and paste that in your head tag inside there. Copy and paste it here. Toby and Bolu. Are you guys done?
I don't know what's
So
going on.
Don't know where you are.
No, like I'm working right, and I'm moving, but when I go live, I'm not seeing it.
You're not seeing it. Like you're not seeing the outcome, or
Yes, I am not. I am not. I'm not seeing the outcome.
like is it only the HTML that's showing or what?
Like nothing is even showing.
Yeah, me and check. Share your screen, me I see.
Can I see it?
Yes. Okay, let me check.
You see?
Maximize the screen. I mean your
Don't know why.
HTML.
Hmm? Oh,
The editor, the code editor, maximize it.
I'm not done. I'm not done. Wait.
Go back to your HTML.
Ah,
There's the HTML. Let me check. Which one are you using to code?
the oh, I use
You have no
obi.html.
link. Okay. Okay, I'll link it.
I have a link.
Right click on that ob.html. Right click on it. In the sidebar now. Go to your sidebar. That ob.html is there, yes. Right click.
Oh, okay. I've seen it now.
Open with live server.
Yeah, I've seen it now.
Okay. Sure.
Thank you.
So you can go and code now.
Thank you very much.
Bolu, are you done?
Yes.
Sharp. Oh, so we are waiting for OBS and Chen to the know. Hey.
Can you scroll down? Can you go over your style and if that's okay by you?
What do you say?
Can you go over your style and if that's okay by you?
Okay. So first off, I removed the default styling. That's you putting padding 0, margin 0, and adding this box size in other books. Then I started styling our nav. So put header nav, then now put the width 100%, put padding of 30 px up and down, and 20 px left and right. And we displayed all the items inside the nav bar flex. And we have justified content space between so that the available space within that nav bar is going to be shared between the three um, elements. That's why we have space here and space here. Then we now put header nav UL. That means we have two on list and on another list inside our nav bar. So we have to display two of them flex as well so that they'll be displayed horizontally. So we'll put that. Then we now add a gap of 30 px beside all of them so that there'll be spacing between the list items. And after that, we decorated the anchor tag because normally anchor tags come with a default styling. They are always blue with underline. So we had to change it back to black and remove the underline that is there. So we reduce the font size to 18 px and put cursor pointer. So anytime we are on top of that particular link, our cursor changes to a pointer cursor. That's what it is. Then the color changes to red when we move on it. This is what controls it. And after that, we now styled our list. So list normally comes with a bullet. That bullet is always beside them. So I removed it. I say list style none. And I changed the font family for all the highlights that day. And after that, I styled the logo so that one of the text is going to be black and the other will be red, like we have here. So time zone. So that's basically everything that I did. Any questions?
So you used span specifically for the time to have that red color,
Yes.
right?
No, I use span for two of them. You know, it is what's the word again? I don't forget the English. Well, it is accepted here. It's accepted to use a tag inside another tag. So I have a span with the class of logo. Then inside that span, and I wrap the zone with another span. So at first I gave all the style. That means all the logo. Now I give it the color of. I did not give it a color. That means it's black. And I change the span that is inside logo to red. That's why this one is red and this one is black. You know the default color is black. So when I want to access this one that is here, I say dot logo span. Then I said, okay, this one should turn to red. Are you guys done?
So this styling of header nav works for everything.
Yes, it works for everything. Why we have nav in all of these ones is because we're using descendant selector. So that's why that one is there.
What does a descendant selector signify? Like, I'm not sure I was in class when it was that.
So this is basically a brief explanation. The fact that we have header, we have nav like this inside header. That means nav is a descendant of header. That's why in the beginning I put header then nav. So we want to style nav, but before we can access nav, we have to go through header first. So we have to call header then nav. That's why we get okay. We want to style our nav with 100%. But in this case, where we want to access UL and UL is inside the nav, so we have to go through header then nav before we now come to UL. Do you understand? So that's basically the ideology behind it. So the fact that this one is inside another tag, we have to go through the parent tags first before we come to the one we want to style. Do you understand now?
Yes, I heard you.
Toby, are you done? So we can do the hero session.
Almost. Just really,
Wait till you talk.
almost. I'm a coder now. You cannot rush a coder now. Relax.
They play. Oh, I see it's the coder. Hey,
I can code better than you now, bro. What do you mean?
don't. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. All power to you.
He
All power
was.
to you.
I'm coming.
Okay, another thing I want to, okay, I think I've seen what I want to ask you.
What do you want to ask again?
I've seen it.
Okay. Come on. Just eat the cash. Make snow just go for Nigeria once. Sheesh. La 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 la. Are you silly? Toby is confused. Why are you shocked? Why your stuffs are on top of each other?
Can you see my code?
I've seen you now. The fact that if you thought you were done, then you checked your output, then the thing was supposed to be horizontally stacked. So
I didn't even know I was sharing my
then the
screen.
thing was
Yeah, I'm shocked though.
the thing was now on top of each other. Let me show you where your error is. Go back to your code. Yeah, scroll to the top.
Okay, I'm at the top now.
Yes, I'm clear.
Ah, the teacher get the cheat code out.
Split lectures. Supposed to be beside each other. Why did it call day like that?
He wants to find it careful. I don't understand what's going on.
Or check your HTML first. Let me check your HTML. Ah. And you show my CSS is the same thing.
Wait, Bolu said I should try and reduce the font size.
Or wait, go back to your listing. I don't think it's the font size that's the issue. Go
Yeah,
back to your browser. Let all the screenshot. Are you? Come on. I'm done with
wait. I think mine is bigger. I think mine is bigger than yours.
What exactly is bigger than mine?
Like the layout, those fonts. I think mine is bigger. Well, it's the same thing now.
Bolu is done now. Let him help you check your own.
Oh yeah. Bolu, careful. What did the coder do wrong?
Have you fixed it? So we can do the error section. Well, these guys have already left though. I don't even know. I'm just going to styling the hero section. So we'll come down inside the nav. The next part to do now is the hero section. Let's just click the section on this. Then inside we'll give it a class of hero. So inside the hero section, we have two main parts. This text, this 1, 2, 3 text, then this stuff at the side as well. So this is what we do. We are going to give two divs, that's one dot text. So this text is going to be containing this big one, H1, this one, and the button. So just say H1. Select your select your new perfect style. And under it, you have a p tag with Lauren in it. Then we now have a button under this button. Then outside the text, we now have another one, image. Then we'll now call this one here. This is the image I'm going to call inside the asset. The watch.png. So we'll have the img here. So then we have something like this. 1, 2, 3, and this. So it's still looking somehow. So let's style it. So we'll come here. This is down here. We have our section. So dot hero. Inside of hero, we have text and image. So display text. Then it should also be 100. Maybe was it network that logged you guys out before? Toby.
No, I was with you.
Yeah. Toby and Bolu, they logged out.
Was network.
Okay. Should make I continue.
It said you should just show us your HTML code.
Use it for that hero session. So still inside the header, but under the nav, we now have our hero session.
So you gave the session a class of hero.
Yes.
Aside from making use of break to make the sentence go to the next line,
Yes.
is there any other
Yeah.
thing you can use?
I don't feel like there's something else you can use. But if you want to come down again, maybe when we increase the size of that text to fit the box so that there's no like extra spaces for it to fit again, then it's going to automatically break down. But it's better to just use this one like that. I don't think there's another way to break it down, except from if the size is too big for the line to contain. It automatically goes down by itself.
Forgotten how to put that forum info
What do you say?
shortcut to it. Okay, don't worry, I've done it.
Toby, are you guys done with HTML?
Bolu is done, but I'm
Okay.
not done, not quite.
So let's finish that one. This stream is already entering 2 hours.
can continue.
Okay,
Can continue.
I'm back here. So after the CSS of the logo and everything, I just came down here and said for the hero with 100% display flex. So now that we have already display flex for two of them, we need to share the spaces like equally between this image and this text side. So there's a padding here in the left and the right. So we'll come here and say padding. Top and bottom 0, left and right. Let's just select 100 px. So yeah. Then next we share the spaces. Before we share the space, let's increase this. It's the text as here. So come down and say dot hero dot text h1 on size 300 px. It's too big. Need to specify height for this as well. 100h. We take the height of the screen. So we have this one. Then we'll come to this. Just hero dot text margin auto 0 sharp.
So I want to ask, the class of hero covers both the H1 and paragraph, right?
Yes, it covers this one and this one.
Can I see your HTML again? I can see where you give a class of test. Was it paragraph you give a class of test?
Can I see it now?
Okay, so, yeah, session D. Okay. So this 100 view height for the hero covers that particular space the session will be, right?
What do you say?
I said this 100 view height for the height
Yes.
of the hero
Yeah.
class, it covers the
Mm.
session. Okay.
Yes. It makes it like it makes the section the height of your screen. So this place, from this place to this place down, is the height of your screen. That's why it's like that.
Okay. Thank you. The margin 50 pixels and zero covers left and right, top and bottom.
What do you say?
I said the margin of 50 pixels for the hero text and paragraph.
Mm.
It covers, is it top and bottom, left and right?
Yes. Should be this one.
Yes. No, not that
Yes.
one.
This. Which one?
This
This one.
one. Yes.
Okay. This one is for top and bottom, left and right. So the first value is top and bottom. The second one is left and right. That's the space that I have here. The space that is here and here. So top and bottom is 50 px. So since I don't need the margin left and right, so I left it at 0.
Okay.
So this is what I have now. I don't know about you guys.
Okay. Ah, you might.
Guys, let's change our height for the hero section to be fit content instead of 100 VH.
To do what? Repeat
So when we change,
content.
yes, the height, before it was 100 view height, change it to 100
Yes.
fit content.
Repeat content.
So when it's fit content, the watch is not going to be outside. So this is basically what we have done today, and this is basically what is in the page. Or is there any difference? I mean, Toby,
Let me see you.
Toby, are you done?
See what you say we should change.
This is what I say should change.
Okay, fit content. Can you scroll?
Where do you want me to scroll
Ayo,
to?
you're fast.
Where?
Okay, this. Okay. Can you go up again? Can you go up again? Okay, I've seen a mistake. Didn't put dots. I just text it.
So let's just see how it goes. So this is my first video now. Hi. I'm having many meetings about this action. So let's just see how it goes. So I'm going to just the same with what you said. What about it? Not that so that's our way to be talking today. It's
Did you change your color?
Color
There's a
of what?
place change.
Of this place?
Sorry.
Yes, I changed the color here. The hero section bar.
Yes, the other section.
This is the color.
Comparison that makes you draw into compartments. Even everybody under circumstances, I want to do something better, do something better for this man.
Hey,
It's tired already.
oh, well, at least I've done this part. I felt like we could achieve a lot more than this, but then we started with it. So we'll just conclude the remaining in the next stream. Bolu, you're
Let me
done.
see your let me see your HTML. Okay, it's fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Make sure I'm not doing another thing. What does a width of 100% do?
What is it?
What does a width of 100% do? To the
Just basically help you to take all the whole screen. That width 100%. That's what makes you take like the whole width of your screen like this.
I think I'm done. Why is it not sliding? Like it's sliding on this.
Sliding as well.
like this button.
The button.
Okay.
There's an animation they use there. Is this what they're talking about?
That's what I'm talking about. Okay, there's an
There is
animation they use.
animation that, yeah. So we can just leave that one. So you just use our Uber JJ for now. I think aside from that, it looks exactly the same.
I think I'm done. Mm, it does. I think it's done. Are you seeing this hot icon that is above the letters? Are we
Oh
still going to
yeah.
put that?
Yes, we can add that later. This one.
Mm.
Yeah. And so it is positioning they use to place that one there. We'll add it later. Maybe the next stream, sure. This stream is about 2 hours long.
Let me see your the original on the original um on the original project.
The template.
I think the time zone is kind of thicker. I don't know why mine is light.
Mine is not thick as well. Maybe you can just increase the font size. I mean the font width, yeah. That's so good.
Okay.
But why it is like that? That means why it's different from our one is because there's a font they use there. There is the font that we don't have, that we're not using. That's why.
Okay.
But you can increase your width. Yeah, done, ba.
Yes, I am.
So guys, we are going to be ending our stream today like this. It's very long. You can do well to watch stream. There are a lot of breaks in it, so you can watch and code along. So you can pause anywhere if you like. You are rushing too much. So we meet again in our next stream on Friday, where we'll be concluding the project. So thank you all. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you again on Friday. Toodles.
Bye.